Some budget drones promise 4K and even 8K, but when you actually fly them, the footage and stability can be disappointing. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your money. Whether you're a beginner or just want a high-value drone for aerial shots, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right one without confusion. I'll cover camera quality, stability, features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. LS600 MAX GPS. The LS600 MAX comes with a 3-axis gimbal, 4K 8K camera options, and up to 5,000 meters FPV range. It also includes an LCD screen controller and 3 batteries for extended flight time. Review highlights. This drone offers great value with long flight time and stable footage. It's ideal for beginners who want more accessories out of the box. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Long FPV range. Includes 3 batteries. LCD screen controller. Number 4. 600 Lira Pro GPS. The 600 Lira Pro features a dual camera system, 4K HD recording, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It also includes brushless motors and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Review highlights. This drone is a good option for casual aerial photography with added safety features like obstacle avoidance. Pros: dual camera setup. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Brushless motors. Stable flight performance. Number 3. 600 Lira Pro MAX. The 600 Lira Pro MAX upgrades the experience with a 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, and 5G FPV transmission. It also supports 8K photo capture. Review highlights. This drone delivers smoother footage and better control, making it suitable for more serious users. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stability. GPS positioning system. 8K photo capability. Smooth flight control. Number 2. V198 MAX Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia V198 MAX offers 4K 8K camera capabilities, laser obstacle avoidance, and a foldable compact design. It's equipped with brushless motors for better efficiency. Review highlights. This drone stands out for its smart features and portability. It's a great option for users who want advanced features at a lower price. Pros: laser obstacle avoidance. Foldable portable design. Brushless motor efficiency. Smart flight features. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 features true 4K HDR video, 8K photo support, and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It weighs under 249 grams and offers up to 10 km transmission range with AI tracking and night shot features. Review highlights. This drone delivers the best balance of camera quality, stability, and advanced features. It's perfect for both beginners and intermediate users. Pros: 4K HDR video quality. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Under 249 grams lightweight design. 10 km long-range transmission. AI tracking and night mode. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, flight stability, features, and overall value, the Potensic Atom 2 camera drone stands out as the best 4K drone in 2026. It offers the best combination of performance, portability, and smart features, making it the top choice for most users. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.